Well, good Tuesday afternoon, y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy. We finna walk over yonder. I'm gonna show you what this earth bed's doing. So give me a second and yeah, we're gonna go check it out. Y'all, let's go. Here is the earth garden. Looking really good. Look what's popping up. Got a whole bunch of stuff popping up. If you see them, here's one right there. They all pop in the ground. Squash hadn't done anything yet. But the one thing that I have found on this earth garden is this Mississippi red dirt. It's just way too tough. It's hard for these top pick purple hull peas to actually bust through the ground because the red dirt's just too hard. That's what was sitting on top of these purple hull peas. And I come down here every morning, every evening, just to see what they're doing. And I saw there was a few spots on these rows that had just I didn't cover it all the way up, and I still had some of that vegetable and flower soil peeking through, and the seeds that I actually planted there popped the ground pretty easily, but the other ones didn't. So what did I do? My OCD kicked in, and I actually just went down the row and just pushed some of that red dirt off just to expose the seed if it was actually a seed trying to push the ground, and there was several of them that were trying to push the ground and pop up. What I'm gonna do this evening is I'm gonna water these guys in because evidently the water is not penetrating that red dirt and getting down to the actual soil where the seeds are. I'm gonna water it in real good, and I may actually take a little bit more of that vegetable and flower soil and just top dress it one more time all the way down the row. So I wanted to show y'all that and give you just a little update on this earth garden and what it's doing. I think the principle is there, but the red dirt just ain't gonna work. It's just too hard. It's like cement. You can water it down real good, but when that sun hits it, I'm here to tell you, it's like cement. And if I don't know if any of y'all have any red dirt or whatnot where you're from in your part of the world, but I'm gonna tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, it's something else. You dang dent a shovel trying to dig into it when that red dirt's hard. I want to give y'all a little update on this earth bed. Hopefully these squash will pop the ground. I have several, quite happy with it. Top pick purple hull peas that have busted the ground, and I'm good with that. Let me get down to watering these guys and doing all the other chores that I have to do. If you like this little bitty short video, hey, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look, because I'm like always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan sure enough gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I don't mean nobody, especially when you're trying to get your earth bed going. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.